In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the quote format in Gmail. If you've ever wanted to clearly reference someone else's words, call out a key sentence from a long thread, or make your replies easier to follow, Gmail's built-in quote format is a simple, professional way to do it. It adds a clean vertical line to the left and indents the text, so readers immediately recognize it as quoted content. Start by opening Gmail and either composing a new message or replying to an existing one. You can type the text you want to quote right into the message, or if it's already there, just highlight the specific portion you want to format. This can be a single line, a whole paragraph, or multiple sections. The key is to select only what you want to appear as a quote. Next, look for the formatting toolbar at the bottom of the Compose window. Click the Formatting Options button, the one that looks like a letter A with an underline. This reveals the full set of formatting tools. Among them, find the quote icon. It resembles a speech bubble or a set of indented lines. Click it once. Instantly, your selected text will shift to the right and a vertical line will appear along the left edge. That's your visual confirmation that the quote formatting is applied. It's readable, compact, and it stands out without being distracting. If you continue typing after the quoted section and you don't want the new text to be quoted, place your cursor outside the quoted area before you keep writing. The quote tool works as a toggle, so you're in control of exactly what gets included. If you change your mind or quoted too much, removing the formatting is just as straightforward. Click anywhere inside the quoted text to make sure your cursor is placed there. Then click the same quote icon again. The indent and vertical line will disappear, returning the text to normal. If the quote styling is tangled up with other formatting and you want to strip everything at once, click Remove Formatting, the button labeled with TX. Keep in mind that this not only removes the quote style, it also clears bold, italics, colors, and other formatting, so you may need to reapply anything you want to keep. That's all there is to it. Use the quote format to keep conversations tidy, highlight the parts you're responding to, and help your recipients follow your train of thought at a glance. Apply it with the quote icon, and remove it by toggling the same icon or using Remove Formatting when you need a clean slate.